Experiencing vibrations while driving can be both annoying and concerning. Vibrations can stem from a variety of issues, ranging from minor problems to serious mechanical faults. Identifying the cause of the vibrations is essential to ensure your vehicle's safety and performance. In this part 3 of our multi-episode troubleshooting video, we'll explore the common solutions to your car's vibrations and provide guidance on how to diagnose and fix them. Solutions for car vibrations. Tire and wheel maintenance. Balance tires. Have your tires balanced regularly to ensure even rotation and reduce vibrations. Rotate tires. Regularly rotate your tires to promote even wear and extend their lifespan. Replace worn tires. Replace tires that show signs of excessive wear or damage. Correct tire pressure. Maintain proper tire pressure according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Wheel and suspension repairs. Align wheels. Have your wheels aligned if you notice any signs of misalignment. Replace worn suspension parts. Replace shocks, struts, and other suspension components that are worn or damaged. Repair bent wheels or axles. 1. If you suspect bent wheels or axles, have them inspected and repaired by a professional. Brake system fixes. Resurface or replace rotors. Have warped rotors resurfaced or replaced to ensure smooth braking. Repair or replace calipers. Fix or replace sticking brake calipers to ensure even braking pressure. Engine and transmission repairs. Fix engine misfires. Address any engine misfires by replacing spark plugs, ignition coils, or other faulty components. Replace engine mounts. Replace worn or broken engine mounts to reduce engine-related vibrations. Service transmission. Have your transmission inspected and repaired if necessary. Regular maintenance can prevent many transmission issues. Remember, car vibrations can be caused by various issues, ranging from minor tire imbalances to serious mechanical problems. By understanding the potential causes and following a systematic diagnostic approach, you can identify and address the issue, ensuring a smoother and safer driving experience. If you're unsure about the cause, it's advisable to consult with one of RiceTire's qualified mechanics who can conduct a comprehensive inspection and recommend the necessary repairs. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to unusual vibrations can save you time, money, and ensure your car remains in optimal condition. Whether it's balancing your tires, aligning your wheels, or fixing engine and transmission issues, taking care of your vehicle's health is crucial for a smooth ride. RiceTire is the one place to go for your tire or wheel needs, automobile maintenance, and repairs in the Mid-Atlantic region. With over a dozen locations throughout Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland, Virginia, and now Pennsylvania. We are in or near your neighborhood, making us your best local tire shop. Give us a call. We are happy to schedule an appointment to check your vehicle and get you safely back on the road as soon as possible.